Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Here in this video we are gonna discuss about the data input and the output. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's me create a new project. Okay, so here is our project. Okay, let me just get rid of this, and now let me just type in here on the comment what we are going to do in this program. Okay, let us start with the header file. Standard input output header. Okay, let me use here void. Okay, so that our main function will not return any value. Main function, and put here braces. Okay, so for giving any of the input to the program, you just have to use a very simple scanf statement. Okay, so we will use in the program, and so we will use the scanf statement in our program. Okay, so before using scanf statement, let me initialize here some variables. Let me initialize here int data type, and let me give name as x. Okay, let me here use a print statement. Okay, give the value of x. Okay, and put here a semicolon. So this is the way which I am going to tell you to use scanf statement. Okay, so see it carefully. You have to write here scanf. Okay, now inside the double quotes you have to use this kind of notation. Here we are using %d because our x is a int variable. Okay, and after here put here a comma, and for giving the input to the x we use here ampersand and then the name of the variable. Okay, and now put here a semicolon. So this is the way we use a input statement. Okay, I think you got it. Okay, now let us just run the program. Okay, so here we can give a integer value. Okay, so this is the way to give the input. Okay, now let me perform here an arithmetic operation. Let me declare here to another variable. Let me y and z. Okay, and let me copy these two statements and paste them here. Okay, and let me now change the values y and here y. Okay, now let me use here an expression z equal x plus y. Okay, and let me copy this again. This will save our time. Okay, so here the value of z is %d. Okay, and here you have to give the name of the variable which you want to print, that is z. And here is a thing which most student got confused. You have to use ampersand symbol only with the scanf statement, not with the printf statement. Okay, so remember this one. And now let me run this program. Okay, give the value of x. Let me give here 4, and give the value of y. Let me give here 6. As you can see, our answer must be 10. Okay, let me press enter, and clearly we can see the value of z is 10. Okay, I think you got it, and I think you understood about how to give input to the program and how to take output. Okay, so this is all what I want to tell you in this video. This is Shoaib signing off. I will catch you in the next video.